And where it is, oh my god.
Oh my godness! Okay, that's an unexpected result.
What's up guys, Alan here. I'm a crypto guy, been in this space for a while, tried a lot of different things, and yeah.
Ran into some pretty sketchy stuff along the way. So now I don't really trust anything right away. So guys, this time I'm using a bit more to check how it behaves, but it's still just an experiment. Just to be clear, this is not financial advice. It's random and risky, just sharing my experience. I've seen some questions about how I came across this. But guys, I'm not sharing any links, just keeping it simple. But I like to talk about crypto news and my thoughts on different experiments.
On my channel, sometimes I share bits of my daily life too.
Alright guys, let's continue. This time I'm going with a bit more just to see how it behaves, setting it to 20 free bombs. So I'm just going through the interface here, clicking a few things to see how it works. Using a small test value here, nothing serious, just moving forward to see what happens next. Okay, opening my trust, select this network, and paste. Just a small setup here to get 10 bombs.
Next and continue.
Okay, nice. Now it's processing. So let's just wait for this. Okay guys, for now didn't get it, but we need to wait a little bit more. Let's open this game again. So it's loading. Oh yeah, we got it. So now we just need to adjust some settings. Press completed, next step, and this one for today. Now I already got it, but let's adjust some settings here, including the seed, just to see how it works. Seems like it's part of the process. Seed in the fairness section. So I will copy it and paste here. Okay. The same once again. Let's go. Paste and send. Okay. And here 5. So now it's gonna be filled and we can start. So yeah, now it's loading. I will choose 23. So one more step and we will get it. Oh wow, we got it. I will try. And let's click this blue button.
I will double check it to be sure. Oh my god.
Oh my god, wow, I got it! It was amazing, guys. Now let's just see what happens next. Press this blue button and choose your own address. I will copy my address and paste it here.
Nice. We got message about our request.
So guys, while we are waiting for this, just to be clear, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal experience. I'm only testing this for fun to see how it behaves. Stuff like this is unpredictable. Outcomes can change anytime, and you can easily lose, so I wouldn't rely on it in any way long term. If you want more updates, thoughts, and general crypto info, you can check out my channel. Some of the things I test, like the one in this video, might be mentioned there too, but again, I'm just experimenting and not recommending anything. Wow guys, right now I got message about our request. Let's check it. So I'm waiting for this. Let's reload it.
And where it is, oh my god.
Oh my godness! Wow. Okay, that's an unexpected result. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. You can follow and like to see more tests like this. Alan was here. Bye bye.